Hey Facebook, how's everybody doing? Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors, and I'm just gonna do a quick video update, show you the stain we got going on. I'm only gonna show you the entry points to the house, okay? It's technically dry, but I don't want to step on this thing. My guys are in there vacuuming everything up, but I do want to show you guys what we're looking at here. Oh, the back laundry room. The hallway. Take you back out here. I'll show you the back entrance points. And then we could just more or less see what it looks like without the stain. Like I said in my video earlier, the customer originally had the floor a lot darker, but changed her mind after seeing one of the samples Emilio made her. And let's see. Oh, I'll just show you. Now that has finish on it. So once that dries, it'll give it a totally different look. But see the finish being applied. Let me go ahead and show you through this window here. Excuse the glare. All right, well, that's it for my video update for now. I'll do another video when the second coat dries.